this video is, I'm not gonna lie, but it's kind of messed up. We started, well, it was Wednesday after school, and Dylan rang me up that morning, and we headed down the tail race. We fished there for a bit and ended up at the gorge, so kind of messed up. Bit of whoop-de-doo, but I haven't uploaded in a while. The weather's been absolutely terrible down here, off and on with wind, swells. Right, you probably get the wind now, but yeah, it's really annoying with this weather. I can't upload as much, but yeah. So hope you guys enjoy it. You're gonna have to figure it out, but it's another video, I guess. But yes, summer holidays and legit one day. And so many, I've got 6 weeks, so I've got heaps of videos to film. Trout, fresh, diving, everything. So yeah. G'day guys, welcome back to a brand new episode. Today we're down here, tail race, I guess.
We're not going to catch anything, but we'll try and make a video.
Yeah, I guess. We're here with Dylan. Haven't seen him in a while. But we're trying to catch mullet. Has been some brim caught in here recently. Don't know if we can catch one of them, but give it a go, I guess. I got my bait rod, and then Dylan's got his bait rod over here, and then he's just spinning because he's half bored. And I guess we'll get into it and hopefully we can land a couple, maybe. Depends, we'll get it. But yeah. This video is proudly sponsored by Tamar Marine, Launceston, Tasmania. All your fishing, diving, boat and trailer accessories. Next time you're in Launceston, go and check them out and enjoy this video.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.
So let's jump on the Dylan's rod here and give him a little flick. Don't even know what this one is, but he's caught a few brim on it apparently. So sorry for the wind, it is really windy. Bit of headwind that's coming in that way. And there's a boat coming. It looks like a goldfish in the water. So by doing this, it's making it calm, so it's not rushed. Dylan didn't do anything wrong. What we did was he threw it out and the bird grabbed it, the lure. Only just in there. Still got it.
Yeah, it's black.
Dumb. Righto, so at the gorge and we're just, there's like a big thing going on. We thought it was something else, but it's like a group thing. Anyway, heading up, gonna go for trout, up, so, up there.
What fish you
So yeah, so we're heading up. A few people have just questioned us because heaps of people, and we're walking around with fishing rods basically. And yeah, so we'll get up there and get into the action and see how we go. Ew. Down. Bring it in.
So guys, I was just casting and it just smacked me right there, as you can see it from the splashes.
There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful little brownie.
Just right there, I wasn't recording.
Oh, he's out by the way too.
Yeah. Phone's on photo.
Hang on, let me get on
No, just leave it. Can you unhook your net? No.
A bit. Fuck.
So guys, this trout was taken on the black widow. Ew. They are beautiful looking colour.
Oh yeah. Not lost the pressure off it. He's only just hooked, and I hit the button of the GoPro and come off. That fish was my first hookup here at the gorge. Yeah, it is. I've had nutches and hits and stuff. It's my first proper hookup. Well guys, it's hard doing this. You're climbing on rocks like that the whole way up. And that was a good trout. I don't even know if I got it on film, but there's the clip before this clip you're watching is probably a swearing and a fish. But I don't know how good I got it, but the thing was I threw it out, let it sink. Well, it didn't sink, floats, but going in, and then I felt this big tug and I was like, here we go, fish. And I felt a fish, then it just come boiling out of the water, and I tried to keep the pressure on, and then I went to hit the GoPro button because of course I wasn't filming, and then so that slight pressure come off, he was off, and I just let the words loose. So yeah, so we land another one and we might head back down so we can snag a couple of perch. But yeah. Everyone thinks fishing's easy. Oh.